Each year, every city and town holds a hanabi taikai, and hanabi translates to fire, flowers, if you look at the Chinese characters. So the hanabi taikai event is a fireworks event, and they do it once a year, so they make it pretty big and pretty special. It goes for about an hour, and you can see all kinds of designs, etc. One of the popular things is to do faces, and this one, yeah, I think it's Anpanman. You can kind of see the design there. This one is the same. Each prefecture and even some towns and cities have mascots these days. It seems to be the big, huge thing called, I think it's called Yu Kyara or something like that. Anyway, this is the one for the prefecture, Gunma-chan. It's a nice star. That might be a pig, that one, but I don't know. I labelled it as a cat. That one's definitely a cat. You can see the whiskers in that one. It's pretty amazing. It really is. And as you can tell, I'm really testing out the slow motion capabilities of my iPhone there. Takasaki City is famous for Daruma, or Dharma, a little Buddhist head, but anyway, it's a good luck charm where you colour in the left eye and make a wish, and then if that wish comes true, you colour in the right eye. I'm sure you've seen one if you've seen any of the Japanese souvenirs. Wow. I mean, some of the different styles of fireworks that they do are just spectacular. I love this one. This one's fantastic. They've got names as well, and a lot of the people who go to the hanabi taikai, they know the names of the different kinds of fireworks, but I've got no idea. So as I said, it goes for an hour. I'm trying to condense it down a little and just show you the best of it, and show you just all the different types of fireworks that they do. This looks like the ending, but it's actually around about the start. You know, about 10 to 15 minutes into it. One of the cool things was that they were firing them up from a couple of different spots, and to the right of us we could see that the larger ones were being shot up from that side, and whenever they were shot up I just grabbed my phone out and tried to do a slow motion of it, as you can see just there. Wow. I'm a big fan of this one too. It's kind of a shower effect at the end of it. You know, I've dabbled in a little bit of science education and I still can't figure out how they do this. It's unreal. you'll see the heads going past, which I kept in the video because it gives you a good indication of just how huge it was. They weren't small fireworks, they were certainly very, very big. Plenty of people there too. I'd say most of the city came along to watch it, and plenty of people from outside the city came to watch it as well. It was a good night. Even though it's been incredibly hot lately, we were pretty lucky that that night was not as hot. I'm talking mid-30s. Yep, you gotta love that slow motion.
Yeah, yeah. You can catch it.